Hi, today we're gonna make pork riblet with oyster sauce, and this is the pork riblet we're gonna use. Uh, and we have to cut this up. The riblet is kind of small, kind of like that, maybe a half inch or. Okay, so we're gonna cut this little pieces. Alright, then it's done. Then we're going to marinate them. So we're going to marinate them with some little salt. And white pepper. Okay, and some little bit of gingers, chop up gingers. And soda cooking wine, just a little bit. Then we're going to mix them up. And also we're going to put some cornstarch in it. Probably put a couple tablespoons in it and season up. And some oil. Alright, and in the meantime we're gonna turn on the heat. Turn up to high. Let me wash my hand. It heat up pretty good right now, so you put some oil in it. So we're gonna put the ribs in it. So we're gonna brown them up a little bit. See, they brown up pretty good. And also we have to cook them for like 10-15 minutes to make it tender and cook. Okay, look like they are browning up pretty good right now, so we can go ahead to put the seasoning in it. So we turn down the heat to a medium heat, and you scoop some oil, extra oil out because it's a little bit too much. So after that, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic in it, and some ginger, chop up ginger, and slice jumbo onion, regular onion. Okay, then you're browning them a little bit, and get up the heat. And we're going to put some soy cooking wine, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and we're going to put some water in it. It's about three quarter of the cup of water. Just enough to cover the top of the ribs. We're gonna cook it for around 10 minutes. Cover it up and turn down the heat, medium heat. But at least you have to make it kind of turn it down, but you have to be I mean boiling, you know. You don't want to turn it down too low. Alright. Then we can come back in about 10 minutes. Okay, then now we take a look at it, you know, and kind of turn them over a little bit. Like that. And we continue cooking. So we're gonna cook it a little bit extra. It's not quite 10 minutes yet. So now it's over 10 minutes. So we're gonna check it. Get one big pieces up and cut it. See, they are done inside. See, you can cut pretty good. You can cut through it, and it's all cut. They're cooked. So it's done. So we're gonna put half tablespoon of sesame seed oil and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay. Then we're gonna put the green onions in it. You know. So you just mix them up. And we are in medium heat. You don't want to turn it too high because you may be burn the ribs, you know. So just turn it lower so you can take your time to put the seasoning in. Half tablespoon of sugar. A little bit of soy sauce. Okay. Okay, I think that's done. So we're gonna scoop them up. We put a little cilantro on top. This is a pork riblet with oyster sauce.